Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be demolding some letter epoxy resin keychains, and right here I'm showing you my new electric nail drill that I've bought just to drill down these epoxy letter keychain, make them more smoother and get rid of all the gritty edges. So yeah, it's the first time I'm using this. I really don't know how to use it, but as I get on with it, it gets easier and easier. So yeah, I'm just looking at it and see which one I want to use first. It came with 6 different shape heads drill, so you can use them for different things. I bought this off Amazon as well. So this is the instruction, the guideline, how to use it, the safety precautions and stuff like that. It's a mini portable nail drill. It also came with a adapter. So I'm very excited to demold these keychains because I use feather. Yes, I've used feather to make them. I haven't seen anyone I've used these kind of feather before. I was very curious to how it would turn out and how it would look. So yes, I use this feather and I'm so happy with the results. After I've demolded them, I will be assembling them, putting on the keychains using the gold and the tassel and also the leaf charms that I love so much. Everything I got from Amazon. So now I'm demolding the S, and why I bought the drill is because if you can see the edges, they aren't smooth, so that's what I am going to use the drill for. These are just some demos that I've done. I will be giving those away to friends. These ones that I've done after I've taken pictures of them and put them on my Etsy shop, and then when I receive order for them, I'll make new ones to send out to my customers. So my Etsy shop again is Your Thing Official, so if you want to go and check that out, check out my Etsy shop, and also if you want to check out my Instagram page, which is Your Thing Official, and also TikTok page as well. I really love how they look and the colors as well. I think my favorite ones are the blue, orange and the red. I just love that color, and also those ones. Okay, so now it's time to get drilling. There you see the on and off button. Now I'm choosing the smallest one that I want to use because I need to get in the creases of these letter keychains. So there are videos on YouTube on how to put this together. It took me a while to figure out how to assemble it, but there are videos on YouTube that I use to help me. So I might link those videos below, I'm not sure. So this is the first time I'm using this, as I said before. When I just started using it, it was overpowering me. So I had to take my time and hold it a bit closer. As you can see how I hold it at the moment, it's not really the right way to hold it, but later on in the video I changed how I hold it. So right here I changed the head of the drill because I wanted it to be a bit smoother, and because I wasn't really going into any creases, I was testing out this drill head, and it works well. Right here, as you can see, I'm holding the drill much better because at this point I kind of get a grasp of how to use it. And also now I'm figuring out how much pressure to put when I'm trying to smooth down these keychain and using this drill. If you're not comfortable using the drill, you can use sander until you build the courage to use the drill. This is my first time using the drill, and I think practice makes perfect. So yeah, so I'm just looking at each letter keychain and see where I need to smooth, because I want the finished product to look good. I want when it arrives to my customers, they don't really have any complaints. So I do recommend the drill if you are comfortable using it. If you're not, you can stick with the sander. So now I'm using another sander that I've bought from Amazon. Everything in this video I bought from Amazon, and I'll leave them in the description below. Now I'm choosing the pointy drill head because I want to get in the creases of the S, as you can see right there. So you can choose whichever one that is good for you, that is suitable for the job that you are doing. I want to make it kids proof as possible, so from 8 years old up. So yeah, so I'm smoothing off the edges. So the drill helps me to get rid of the grits, and the sander, it helped me to make it much smoother. It evens out the edges of the keychain after it's been drilled, and yeah, it makes it feels more better in your hand, which is what I'm going for. So yep, so this is how they look after I've finished drilling them. And now it's time to clean up all that mess. So I use wipes to clean my surface, and I think that just get rid of all the dust. And there you go, everything is finished. Now I'm just wiping off the dust off the keychains from all that drilling. The hardwares that I want to put on them, and I'm using the eye pin. I'm testing out the eye pin because the eye pin doesn't really work, so I'm not recommending the eye pin at the moment, but I'm testing them out to see if they're durable, if they will break the keychain. So I'm testing those out. So now just watch me put these together, glam them up as usual. This is my favorite part, putting on the tassels and the leaf charm. Everything will be in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to see how these turn out, you can check my Instagram page. Yeah, go show some love. Right, look at that, really lovely. And as a first time doing these feather keychain, I must say they look really good. So yeah, I'll be right back after I've finished assembling this keychain. So on this one I add only the tassels, then on this one I had both the tassels and the leaf charm, then on the other one I only add the charm. So I did them in varieties. So this is how they turn out, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram at YouthingOfficial. Go and show some love over my TikTok page and also my Etsy shop, which is also at YouthingOfficial. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.